Are you
No,
doing?
no knife.
Okay.
What are you doing, Rosie?
This is my pumpkin,
Yeah.
and I'm carving it, and it's a vampire.
Ooh, that's really cool.
And now I'm doing is carving this,
Oh.
so it looks scarier.
Oh.
Daddy, do you watch me for being
Do you like things that are scary, Mia Rose?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So who else do we have here?
Daddy.
Daddy.
I'm just making a face.
Ooh,
It's just a silly face.
that's a gigantic pumpkin. So.
Actually, I used it.
Yes, it is, baby.
Oh, a little cheat sheet. Awesome.
We'll see.
And now we have one more family member.
I messed up a little.
So who are you?
I am Elena, and you can lie, and I a little messed up.
You want to look at me for a second? You want to look at me for a second?
This is so fun.
You want to look at me for a second? Haha. Can we see your pumpkin
Oh, wait, I'm fine.
that you're working on?
And this is my pumpkin. I messed up right here.
Oh, but it looks really good. Hold on.
And then
Oh, it looks good.
it looks weird.
It looks really good.
And this one as well. And then this is how it looks like inside.
Oh.
That pumpkin I messed up. No,
Oh, okay.
this pumpkin I messed up, so I done it different.
Oh, okay. That's okay. All right.
And that's your turn.
It's my turn, and I also made a pumpkin, and my pumpkin's already done. So here is the glory
use these
of the bee
Yeah.
not
pumpkin.
that knife. Because
Bees,
remember the
Purple Fido's
direction.
pumpkin.
Mm-hmm.
This concludes the pumpkin video
Listen to that, not yourself.
of us for 2012.
And
All right.
it's almost my birthday. I'm going to be 9 years old.
Oh my.
Help.
All right, let's say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
You gotta say goodbye, Mia?
Bye. I said bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Lena Mean.